Now that I got my S23 Ultra all set up, I'm going to put my screen protector on. See how this works out. I never like using these lens covers. To me, it just adds extra bulk that I do not want. So I just push these to the side. It looks like they give you 3 screen protectors, which is good, because if you mess up one, you have another shot, and then you have a third one for the next time you need it. So they're pretty much all the same. You got to clean off your screen. Alright. For the most part, I don't have to worry about dust because this is a new screen. But you could use these sticky tabs right here to look for dust and just pick them up. I'm pretty sure there's nothing here. The room I'm in is pretty dust free. My fingerprint touched the screen. I felt the stickiness from my oily finger, so I'm gonna wipe it down one more time. Alright, here we go. These are pretty much all the same. You just have to line it up. The main thing is to make sure that this camera hole is fitting perfectly. This looks pretty good. Then you need this tool right here to pretty much rub right in the middle. This is where the first stick is going to happen. Just rub this nice and good. And you see this has 1 and this has a 2. So when that has a 1, that's the side you go first. So that side is on. The main thing is to make sure this camera hole is not being covered. And if you know if that camera hole is good, then you know that everything else is good. Now number 2, same thing. Nice and slow. Take this off. And we are on there. On there like butter. Now the key thing is you want to flatten the sides down. That's very important. Very important. And that's it. Easy as 1, 2, and 3. So now while I'm at it, what I'm going to do is install the case that I got with it. The case is right around here. Here you go, the case. Mind you, I got this stuff off of Amazon last week. Once I ordered the phone, last week I ordered the phone, everything came right away. I ordered the case, everything came right away. I didn't realize this case came with a screen protector built in, which I do not want to use. I do not want to use a built-in screen protector. Definitely do not want to use that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bust this screen protector right off. I really don't want to use a screen protector at all. All right, I had to fight to take that plastic shield off. Now, I would prefer to be able to buy one without the shield, but I didn't pay attention on the one I got, so it came with a plastic shield. However, I prefer to use the screen protector instead. So now let's check this out. Still got little pieces of plastic that I missed. I'll take that off later. All right, so that's pretty much it. This is very important to me right here. This guy right here. Perfect for making videos and shorts and all the other good stuff. Perfecto. So this is going to be good. All right, yeah. I'm gonna leave both of these in the description. If you want to pick up one on your own, like I'll probably look for a case. If you don't want to use a plastic film and you rather have a case that's fully enclosed to try to keep all the dirt and stuff off, this would be good. Or if you want to use a screen protector and a case, like, you know, probably one of these cases, if I ever decide to use it, probably use this one because it actually do have a kickstand. But either way, my main thing is that if I drop the phone, it is protected. All right, peace. Check you on the next one.